Hi, my name is Sarah Campbell. I'm the owner and founder of Studio3, a creative content marketing agency in New Westminster, BC that I started with the help of the self-employment program from Douglas College. If you're thinking about starting your own business, I cannot recommend this program highly enough. It's been a game changer for me. I always knew that I wanted to start my own business, and I had the industry know-how and the drive and the passion, but I didn't know where to get started. And that's where Paula came in. She's the amazing coach that the program paired me with, and she helped coach me through the sales, the operation, and the development of my business. We created a business plan and a strategy. She coached me through any pitfalls so I could avoid them, and she helped me keep myself accountable, which is so important when you're all on your own. Honestly, I couldn't have done this without her, and a year of really hard work has super paid off. I soft launched the business in September of 2023 with a super fun business shower, and by the end of our first year of business, we have 9 contractors, 15 clients, and we won the Platinum Award for Best Home-Based Business of the Year, which is amazing for our first year of business. We're also turning a profit, and I'm paying myself. And with the support of Paula, now I feel comfortable to lead my company into the future. We're going for 3 and 5 year plans now, and we're making it happen. If you're interested in starting your own business, I'm always happy to talk about what it's like and the process that I went through. You can follow us on Instagram, Studio3 Creative Content, or you can reach out to us on our website, Studio3Creative.ca. I'm always open to chat about launching your own business and the amazing time that I had with this program. Again, which I couldn't recommend highly enough.